Bpluma Travel Bottles, TSA-approved leak-proof toiletry containers for hassle-free travel. Bpluma Travel Bottles offer the perfect solution for your travel needs. This set includes for leak-proof, TSA-approved containers designed for carrying toiletries. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic. These bottles ensure your liquids are safe and secure during transit. With a compact and stylish design, these bottles are perfect for carry-on luggage, gym bags, and outdoor adventures. Travel smart with Bpluma. Bpluma Travel Bottles stand out with their practical and versatile design. Each set includes two 50 ml lotion bottles and two 50 ml spray bottles, all packaged in a portable box. Additionally, a stickable waterproof label set with 32 pieces is included to help you organize and identify your liquids easily. These containers are made from durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring they are safe, easy to clean, and reusable for multiple trips. Designed with the traveler in mind, Bpluma Travel Bottles are TSA-approved, allowing you to bring them directly onto the plane without the need for check-in. The transparent bottles feature dust-proof caps, leak-proof buckles, and waterproof labels to prevent spills and leaks. Even during bumpy journeys, their space-saving design ensures they fit neatly into any bag, making them ideal for family outings, gym sessions, camping trips, and more. What sets Bpluma Travel Bottles apart is their wide range of uses. These versatile containers can hold various liquids, including shampoo, face wash, gel, hand soap, makeup remover, medical alcohol, and disinfectant. The easy-to-press bottles make dispensing your toiletries a breeze. Customers appreciate the robust sealing and leak-proof design, which save time and prevent messes, making travel more convenient and stress-free. Invest in Bpluma Travel Bottles for an efficient and organized travel experience. Their affordable price and high-quality construction provide excellent value, making them a must-have for any frequent traveler. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your toiletries are safely stored and easily accessible, whether you're on a plane, at the gym, or exploring the great outdoors. Bpluma Travel Bottles ensure you travel in style and comfort.